गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज जो बीपीयूटी बीटेक सेकेंड सेमिस्टर ऑल ब्रांच जो अच्छी मैथमेटिक्स 2 तेणु किसी प्रीवियस ईयर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन किसी डिस्कसन करी 2021 ରୁ 22 जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आसला। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अंडर व्हाट कंडीशन ए सिस्टम ऑफ m linear equations in n unknowns will have a solution। को कंडीशन रे सिस्टम ऑफ linear equation will have a solution, means solution exist if first you have the linear equations to convert matrix form ax equal to b form. What is a is your the coefficient of the unknown variables, that is matrix A. Next x is your unknown variables and b is your right side constants. Means which condition? First condition, if rank of augmented matrix A by B, A is the coefficient of the unknown variables, B is the right side constant, that is augmented matrix. If rank of augmented matrix equal to rank of matrix A equal to number of unknowns, then the system of linear equation has unique solution. N unknowns given, unknown variables. So if rank of augmented matrix, if rank of A equal to number of unknowns n, then the system has unique solution. I previous video कहती n is your order of the matrix, sorry, not a order of the matrix, that is number of unknowns, means n is your number of unknowns. Okay, sorry by mistake. So second, if rank of augmented matrix value equal to rank of A value equal, which is less than to n, which is less than to number of unknowns, okay, then the system has infinitely many solutions. So there are two solutions exist. First condition, if rank of augmented matrix equal to rank of A equal to unknown variables, number of unknown variables, then the system has unique solution. Second, if rank of augmented matrix equal to rank of A, which is less than to number of unknowns n, then the system has infinitely many solution. Okay, then the solution exists means that is solution exists means that is the system has consistent. Okay, and suppose question is under which condition the system of linear equation which in n unknowns will have no solution. No solution means if rank of augmented matrix value, which is rank of augmented value which is not equal to the rank of matrix, then the system has no solution. Clear? Then the system has no solution. Second question, when set of vectors form a vector space is called Li. Okay, linearly independent केतेबेले कहबी vector space रो vector गुडकू when a set of vectors, suppose we take suppose n vectors we take v1 v2 vn. Okay, v1 v2 up to vn, we take suppose set of vectors, n vectors are said to be Li, linearly independent, and we take suppose n scalars, because there are n vectors, we take suppose n scalars c1 c2 cn. We write the scalar multiple with the vectors c1 into v1 plus c2 into v2 plus dot dot plus cn into vn equal to 0. Clear? Equal to 0. That is called vector equation. That is called linear combination of the vector. That is called vector equation. Okay. If this vector equation has trivial solution, trivial solution means all scalar values c1, c2, c3 up to cn, all scalar values, n scalar values are equal to 0, then the set of vectors v1, v2, vn are said to be Li, linearly independent. Clear? What is linearly dependent? Suppose you take a v1, v2, vn, the set of vectors are said to be linearly dependent. If there exist a scalars, we take suppose c1, c2, or cn. Okay, we take the scalars and we write the vector equation c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus cn vn equal to 0. Clear? If there exist at least one scalar is non-zero, there exists at least one scalar is not equal to 0. Clear? Means c1, if c1 is not equal to 0 or c2, c3, cn are 0, then that is called linearly dependent. Or at least one means or C1, C2, Cn are all not equal to 0, then that is called also be linearly dependent. There exists at least one scalar is non-zero, then that set of vectors are said to be linearly dependent. Clear? Second, what are the eigenvalue of the matrix? What are the eigenvalues of the matrix? That is upper triangular matrix, you know. If it is upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, then the eigenvalue is your, the diagonal elements is your eigenvalue. Means diagonal element is your 2, 3, minus 1. 2, 3, minus 1 is your eigenvalue. Suppose given lower triangular matrix, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 5, 6. Clear? 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 5, 6. So the eigenvalue of the lower triangular matrix is main diagonal elements 1, 3, 6 is your eigenvalue. Clear? So next, which type of matrices have their eigenvalues with unit modulus? Okay, which type matrices have their eigenvalues with unit modulus? There are two matrices having eigenvalues with unit modulus. One is orthogonal matrix eigenvalue with unit modulus. Second one is unitary matrix. Unitary matrix, their eigenvalue with unit modulus means plus or minus 1. Okay, orthogonal determinant of orthogonal matrix is your plus or minus 1. So there are two type matrix eigenvalue is your unit modulus. Well, question is which type of matrices have their real eigenvalue? Symmetry matrix and Hermitian matrices are the real eigenvalue. So in which type matrix have their zero or purely imaginary? Zero or purely imaginary means which type matrices have their eigenvalue or zero or purely imaginary? Skew symmetry matrix and skew Hermitian matrices are the zero or purely imaginary. Next, express the straight line parametrically which passes through the point 2, 3, 4. Point is given in the direction of the vector is given 1 to 1. So write the straight line. Straight line is your the form. If suppose one point is given and second is one direction is given, then how to find the or represent or express the straight line means r equal to a plus tb, a plus tb. Okay, r is the straight line, a means that is point, and t is any parameter, and b is your direction. Means you write a means is your point 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4 plus t is any scalar multiple with the b direction 1, 2, 1. So adding this value means that is your 2 plus t. Yes or no? First point is 2 plus t. Second point 3 plus 2t. 3 plus 2t, comma. Third point is 4 plus t. 4 plus t. So this is your first point is 2 plus t. Second point 3 plus 2t. Third point is 4 plus t. So this is your r. Okay, this is your straight line. Suppose I multiply vector form right means r vector equal to 2 plus t I cap plus 3 plus 2 t j cap plus 4 plus t is your k cap. Clear? So next you find gradient. F question is your gradient and G question is your the gradient, divergence and curl गोटे क्वेश्चन आसो एवं गोटे वेक्टर केतेबेले सोलेनोइडाल गोटे वेक्टर केतेबेले इरोटेशनल केमती बाहर करिवो. ओके ये भल से देखो. सो फाइंड द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ यू फाइंड मीन्स ग्रेडियंट इज ऑपरेटर वेक्टर ऑपरेटर. सो ग्रेडियंट ऑफ ए स्केलर फंक्शन स्केलर गोटे गिवन देथियो तुम ग्रेडियंट बाहर करियो गोटे वेक्टर गिवन देथियो तुम डाइवर्जेंस बाहर करियो. केमती कोन अछि ग्रेडियंट फार्मूला जानिछ ग्रेडियंट ऑफ फंक्शन del f equal to you know del f by del x I cap plus del f by del y j cap. Okay, plus del f by del z k cap. Are yes or no? इतना ग्रेडियंट del f by del x I cap plus del f by del y j cap plus del f by del z k cap. पार्शियल विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स कर केते आछि y स्क्वायर z I कैप प्लस del f by del y means 2i xz is constant 2i xz plus partial with respect to z xy square constant z with respect to z is 1 so xy square so that is your sorry ij into k cap okay ij into k cap so that is your gradient of the scalar function. Similarly next question is divergent गोटे वेक्टर देछि तार divergent जानि जे divergent of f equal to divergent of f equal to formula कौन जानिछ del f okay suppose f vector is your given f1 f2 f3 clear means del f vector by del x okay or divergent of f equal to divergent of f equal to is your del f1 by del x plus del f1 by del y plus del f1 by del z clear gradient रे I j k multiple होतला एट कोन होची एट दैट इज स्केलर फंक्शन का जो del f1 by del x plus del f1 by del y plus del f sorry del f1 by del x plus del f2 by del y plus del f3 by del z clear. So first function is your f1 is your x square yz with respect to x you find means 2xyz plus second function is your xy square z with respect to y 2xyz plus xyz square with respect to z 2 z square with respect to z means 2z 2xyz so 2xyz plus 2xyz plus 2xyz that is 6xyz 6xyz clear. Similarly यदि कर्ल ऑफ द वेक्टर देथिबो क्रॉस नंबर del क्रॉस f अरे yes or no del क्रॉस गिवन वेक्टर f अरे केमति वैल्यू बाहर करिवो I j k डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ f वेक्टर रो कोन कंपोनेंट अरे yes or no f वेक्टर कंपोनेंट I j k f1 नेक्स्ट f2 f3 रिकार्ड हो कि असुविधा नहीं del क्रॉस सो नेक्स्ट last question find the surface normal to the surface r vector is given find the surface normal means this is suppose r vector this is a cos b okay means you find del f by del u del f by surface normal is your del suppose this is r vector sorry del r by you find with respect to u there are two vectors given sorry two variables u and v with respect to first you find del r vector with u cross next you find del r vector with respect to v clear. So the cross multiple okay cross product del r by del u cross del r by del v you find determinant of this clear just with respect to u कर दियो first component with respect to 0 second component is 0 third component is 1 this is I cap j cap k cap determinant of second similarly with respect to v a cos b you write first component minus a sin b second component b cos b last is your 0 so you find this determinant value that is your normal surface okay jodi pachanda unit vector normal to the surface means you find given a scalar you find the unit vector normal to the surface means you find grad pi pi is given pi is a scalar function grad pi divided by the modulus of magnitude of grad pi this is your unit vector normal to the surface jodi given point dethanda so point passes through the points clear. So next what is the fundamental period of the function cos 5x कहली sin x cos x इसो पीरियड केते 2 पाई sin x cos x cosec x sec x period 2 pi only tan x cot x period is your pi so fundamental period of the cos pi or period of the cos 5x you know cos x period is 2 pi So cos 5x period is 2 pi by 5 गोटे प्रॉपर्टीज अच्छी है जदि cos x period जदि है केते सपोज 2 pi बा sin x period is 2 pi cos ax okay cos ax means 2 pi by a. Similarly cos 5x पीरियड पचार तुम जान cos x पीरियड 2 pi so cos 5x is 2 pi by 5. Similarly तुमको पचार था cosec 10x पीरियड केते तुम जान cosec x पीरियड sin cosec cos sec पीरियड हूँ 2 pi क्लियर यदि 2 pi है cosec 10x केते हम 2 pi by 10 क्लियर. So next what is the Fourier series of the function sin square x এটা represent करिवो find the function Fourier series function is given f of x sin square x. So f of x sin square x you write sin square x is your even function or yes or no. Sin square x is even function. You know there are Fourier constants, total constant there are 3 constants a0 an Fourier coefficient. Yes or no? a0 an bn you find a0 an bn. There are 3 Fourier coefficient. So first you find a0, next you find an, next you find bn. Okay, a0 means integration of f of x. Suppose you take minus pi to pi f of x dx. Okay, you find. Similarly an is your what? Minus pi to pi 1 by pi minus pi to pi. Suppose you take interval minus pi to pi and f of x dx. Okay, sin square x dx you find. That is your a0. a0 is your integration of minus pi to 1 by pi. Okay, suppose you take interval minus pi to pi f of x dx. an is your similarly 1 by pi minus pi to pi a0 okay into cos nx f of x into a0 f of x into cos nx dx. Similarly last bn you find. Okay, because bn is your integration of f of x into sin nx dx. F of x is your even function, so even into odd is your odd. So total is your odd function means odd function integral of odd function is 0 minus pi to pi. So bn is 0. In this case bn is 0, only you find a0 and an value. Okay, next you put the series function f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus an cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. Okay, you put n equal to 1 2 3, you put the a0 and an value, find the series function. Clear. Sin square x केमी सर सॉल्व कर इंटीग्रेशन sin square x to convert 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Clear. से टू एक्सपांड करिवो. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल. है सब प्रीवियस देख क्वेश्चन देख सॉल्व कर जहाँ पढ़ी रिवाइज कर नुआ जिन किसी देखनी है. ठीक है, थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट.